Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open QR code on iPhone iOS 26. So actually it is very easy. You have two ways of how you can do this, and the first way is to simply you need to open the camera and just find the QR code and just like that hold for a while and you will see a little yellow button appears in the bottom, and this is basically the link from this QR code. You need to just simply click on it, and that is how you can open this QR code using your camera. But if you have only a photo of this QR code, you need to just simply open Photos on your device and find the photo where the QR code is. So as you can see, here is the photo with the QR code, and now all you have to do is to simply click on the QR code and the little button in the bottom right corner appears. So you need to click on this little button, and as you can see, it selects all the stuff there is on the photo. As you can see, text and the QR code. And now if you click on the QR code, it opens a little menu, and you can just simply click and open on Safari, and basically it will open the same link. Basically that is it. It is how you can open QR code on iPhone iOS 26. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.